Hi there, in this video, we will explore WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click on the WordPress icon in the upper right corner of your Softaculous end user panel. You will see all the WordPress installations list. Click here to expand. When you click on Manage Plugins, this will show the list of all the plugins activated or deactivated. WordPress Manager allows you to activate or deactivate plugins without even having to log into WordPress admin panel. Also, you can search and install. And the same goes for Manage Themes. Also, we can change several settings like enable and disable debug mode or WordPress cron. We can use Softaculous features from here like clone, staging, backup, restore, remove, and uninstall. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorial videos.